Hello, my lovely people. A very warm welcome on Shivangi's Insight. Happy New Year to all of my YouTube fam members. I hope you guys having a good time with your family. Today is 1st Jan, and I decided to start my new year with colorful calendar journaling. Today is the start of the day felt necessary with all colors because Elder says whatever you do on first day of the year you will continue to do it throughout the year, and I just wanted to fill my entire year with beautiful colors, joy, happiness, celebrations and compassion. So without any delay, let's get the ball rolling. And on this calendar, I have decided to paint some flowers along with some beautiful motivational quotes and some other kinds of decorations. So stay tuned with me and enjoy the process. My pencil sketching is almost done now, and I add some black fine liner for outlining, and I'll paint with watercolors. You know guys how much I like watercolors. And this is almost done now. I have this beautiful handmade quotes sticker and a calendar sticker, and I will paste on it, and voila, it is almost complete now. And I hope you guys like this video and found it helpful. Do let me know on the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Shivangi's Insight. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.